In this video, I'll show you some new updates to the Generate Transparent Video with Subtitles feature in Subtitle Edit. Welcome to this video. My name is David and I hope you're well wherever you are around the world. Now, a few weeks ago, I kinda commented on this discussion post right here. And I mentioned that it would be awesome to have a preview window like we have in the burn-in feature, and also a batch mode to generate transparent video with subtitles. And also initially there was no prompt for downloading FFmpeg, but now it's available. Now I'd like to show you some of the new features, because there's some 4 new features that have been added in the Generate Transparent Video with Subtitles. So I already have my video and subtitles, so I'll just go to Video, Generate Transparent Video with Subtitles, and once I click on that, you'll notice a couple of things. We now have the option to have box type, box color, box, and so on and so forth. That is one of the few things that are available, and these actually helps, especially if you want to work with the opaque box feature. And once you click on that, you can see these changes. If I uncheck this, you'll see different things that happen here. If I click on it, you'll see box. If I click on this one box, we also have the option for box per line, and this changes the different options that are available here. There is shadow, there is box. If I uncheck this, you see they both go to outline and shadow, and so on and so forth. So it's really awesome to have this right inside here. Next up, another feature that is very, very important. Previously, if you use the selected lines feature, what it does is that it's going to generate a transparent video with subtitles for the whole video. But let's assume you just want for a particular section. So you may need to check this and then add in the hours, minutes, or seconds of the video that you want to have the generated transparent video with subtitles for right here. Now, I'll have to say that it has some few issues, because if I click on this 3 dots, normally it should send me to this video to click on the time, but it's opening up or prompting me to select from a new video or something. If I click on this and click on open, it brings in the new video, and then I can now select from this and click OK, and then you see this. Normally what should happen is that it should recognize this video here and actually pick from it. If I click on this other one, the same happens. So this is a bug, and that is why I always say it is important to test out these beta versions of Subtitle Edit, so that once the official version comes out in, I believe, should be in September, we have a good working program. So that is some few bugs there. Next up, I also requested for the preview window. Now, the preview window that we have here, I don't think is the most ideal, because when you make a change, it would be really awesome to see it happen in real time. So probably what should happen is, as much as we're going to be generating a transparent video with subtitles, can we have some sort of window where we can see how the subtitles are going to look like as we make the changes right here, and then some sort of maximize button when we go there. And obviously what I mean is, if you're working with the option to burn in subtitles, which I'm going to bring up right now, file, open clip video, let's say you want to burn in subtitles. So for example, this preview, you can easily see, let's assume I change this to 100 and just click outside. Maybe somewhere here. Actually, you see the change in real time, and when you click on maximize, it fits right inside here. Now, the issue you have with the preview here is all the time you have to click on preview. Let's assume you've made a change and decided you want to go with an opaque box. You have to click on the preview. It takes some time to generate, and then you can see that the window that pops up does not fit the way you'd like it to fit in. So you have to keep on adjusting to see if it fits in correctly. I hope we can get something that is similar to this, so that when I click on this, you'll see the whole video as it should be and the subtitles as they should appear. Now, as for the generate transparent video with subtitles, obviously without the video, or even if it has the video, in the output file that is generated, it should not have the video. So that is really welcome. So we've got some settings here for the fonts and background and opaque box and so on, the cut feature, some bugs here, and then the preview. Hopefully we get that worked on as well. And then we have the batch mode. Now I have an issue with the batch mode because I was hoping it's going to work in the same way as we have in the generate banding video with subtitles. So we only have the subtitle, the size, the status. So there's no video file option. And the reason for the batch mode, for me requesting the batch mode, is to, if you have videos that you want to generate the transparent subtitles for, you just populate the videos here with the respective subtitles, and let's assume everything here is set as you want it to be, and all you need to do is just click on generate and everything generates as it should. That is one thing I've noticed that hopefully is also going to be fixed. And as I mentioned, make sure you test this out and then submit this as issues. As you can see, the box color option was actually from yesterday from Jedit Pro, and I believe he's the same one who requested for this feature. Yes, he's the same person who requested this feature for generating videos or transparent video with subtitles. So it's highly welcome to see this implemented right inside here, and you can see it works fine here, looks really good, and it's good to actually finally have all these features available. Now if that can actually be fixed right here, so we have the cut option here, the preview option here, especially if you have this video, and then for the batch mode here, and finally in the banding window we have the option to use source resolution. This is going to come in handy. Hopefully it can be added in as well. So let's go to generate, for example here, use source resolution. So that would be awesome to have in as well in the option to generate banding subtitles or transparent video with subtitles. But for now, we have new settings, especially when it comes to when you want to use the opaque box. We have a couple of good features that have been added. Hopefully we can also get these opaque box features inside the banding feature, that is the generate the banding subtitle feature in subtitle edit, and then we get a finesse of all this. But those are some of the few new features or additions to the generate transparent video with subtitles. I hope this video is of value to you. Test it out, submit bugs if you see them, and maybe your request on GitHub, obviously the issues section here, and I'll leave a link in the description below for you guys to kind of submit a new issue if you have one. I hope this video is of value to you. Thanks for watching.